When I was learning Welsh in school and telling people how much I loved it, people would often tell me all the Welsh is in South Wales. Nowadays, when I speak to people, they all tell me it's up in North Wales. It's true and false, really. Most of the Welsh spoken in the wild is in West Wales, north and south. Even though there's loads of speakers in the western areas who use it every day, you're going to find probably more with regards to numbers in the east. Only problem is in the east, you've got to get it out of them. You've got to try. You've got to scratch the surface a little bit. In the west, just go and speak Welsh to people. They'll probably speak Welsh to you first. In the east, like I say, scratching that surface. And that is a bit of the burden of being a Welsh speaker or a Welsh learner. Sometimes you've got to go out there and find it. So find it.